Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Collagen is often hailed as the secret ingredient for achieving vibrant hair, strong nails, and youthful skin. As the most abundant protein in our bodies, collagen plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure and elasticity of our skin, while also supporting hair growth and nail strength. Our natural collagen production declines as we age, leading to signs of aging like wrinkles, brittle nails, and thinning hair. In this video, we'll explore the importance of collagen and how it contributes to our overall beauty and health. You can expect to learn about natural ways to boost your collagen levels, from dietary choices to lifestyle changes that can make a significant difference. Imagine waking up to naturally glowing skin, luscious hair, and nails that don't break easily. We'll share tips and tricks that are effective and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, stick around as we dive into the world of collagen and discover how to enhance your beauty from the inside out. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding collagen. Collagen is a vital protein building block for skin, hair, nails, and connective tissues. It plays a significant role in maintaining skin elasticity and hydration, giving our skin that youthful, plump appearance. When collagen levels are optimal, our skin can retain moisture and bounce back from stressors, helping to prevent sagging and wrinkles. In addition to its benefits for the skin, collagen is essential for hair and nail strength and growth. It provides the necessary support for hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth and reducing breakage. Similarly, strong collagen fibers contribute to resilient nails, preventing them from becoming brittle and prone to splitting. However, as we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, leading to visible signs of aging, such as fine lines, thinning hair, and weaker nails. Understanding the role of collagen in our bodies is the first step toward finding ways to maintain and boost its levels for a healthier, more vibrant appearance. Natural sources of collagen. To enhance collagen production naturally, incorporating collagen-rich foods into your diet is a great start. Foods like bone broth, chicken skin, and fish are excellent sources of collagen, providing your body with the necessary amino acids to support its production. These foods not only taste delicious, but also offer a variety of nutrients that contribute to overall health. In addition to whole foods, supplements can also play a significant role in boosting collagen levels. Collagen peptides, which are easily absorbed by the body, can be found in powder or capsule form and are a convenient way to increase your intake. Pairing these supplements with vitamin C is essential, as this vitamin helps synthesize collagen and enhances its effectiveness. However, it's important to remember that a balanced diet is key for optimal collagen levels. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats alongside collagen-rich foods will ensure your body has all the nutrients it needs to maintain healthy skin, hair, and nails. Lifestyle factors. Affecting collagen. Our lifestyle choices play a significant role in determining collagen levels in our bodies. One of the most detrimental habits is smoking, which can lead to reduced blood flow and oxygen to the skin, ultimately breaking down collagen and accelerating aging. Similarly, excessive sun exposure can damage collagen fibers, leading to premature wrinkles and loss of skin elasticity. On the other hand, staying well hydrated is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and overall health. Water helps to keep the skin plump and supports the body's natural collagen production. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to promote a youthful appearance. Additionally, never underestimate the importance of sleep and stress management. Quality sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate, including collagen production. High stress levels can lead to hormonal imbalances that negatively affect skin health. By prioritizing restful sleep and finding effective ways to manage stress, you can support your skin's vitality and maintain healthy collagen levels for a radiant look. DIY collagen boosting recipes. These simple recipes can be delicious and easily boost collagen levels. First up is a refreshing collagen smoothie that combines the power of berries and spinach. Start with 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of mixed berries like strawberries and blueberries, 1 banana for sweetness, and a cup of almond milk. Blend until smooth and add a scoop of collagen peptides for an extra collagen kick. This smoothie is tasty and packed with antioxidants and nutrients that support skin health. Next, let's talk about homemade bone broth, a fantastic source of collagen. To make it, simmer beef or chicken bones in a large pot with water, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and your choice of vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Let it cook for at least 12 hours to extract the maximum benefits. Finally, don't hesitate to experiment with collagen-infused snacks, such as energy balls made with oats, nut butter, and a scoop of collagen powder. These snacks are perfect for on-the-go nourishment. Skincare products with collagen. When enhancing your skincare routine, collagen-infused products can be a game changer. Popular collagen creams and serums are widely available in the market, with brands like Neutrogena, Olay, and L'Oreal offering formulations designed to boost skin health. These products often contain hydrolyzed collagen, which is broken down into smaller peptides for better absorption into the skin. Using collagen creams and serums can significantly enhance skin hydration and elasticity. By applying these products regularly, you may notice a plumper, more youthful appearance as they help to replenish moisture and improve the skin's overall texture. These formulations also include ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamins that support skin health. However, it's essential to read labels carefully and choose quality products. Look for those with high collagen concentration that are free from harmful additives. Investing in reputable skincare products can make a noticeable difference in your skin's vitality, helping you achieve that radiant glow you desire. Collagen's vital role is essential in maintaining healthy hair, nails, and skin. As the most abundant protein in our bodies, collagen is vital for skin elasticity, hydration, and overall beauty. We discussed various natural sources of collagen, including foods like bone broth and fish, and the benefits of supplements like collagen peptides and vitamin C. Now it's time to incorporate these collagen-boosting practices into your daily life for healthier, more radiant skin, hair, and nails. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Stay tuned for more content on beauty and wellness.